Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting immediate gains. Trim silver skin and leave a thin fat cap to baste while roasting. Once trimmed, pat the pork loin very dry so seasonings adhere. Season now. Use about 1 teaspoon of salt for each 500 grams and freshly cracked pepper. Press it in. Make sure your oven is preheating to 220 degrees C while you heat a heavy skillet. Sear windows create flavor fast, so don't delay. Get that pan smoking lightly before the pork hits the surface. You now sear and move into steady roasting. Start by searing each side for 1 to 2 minutes until a deep golden crust forms. This builds flavor and seals juices. Once seared, transfer to a roasting pan and lower oven to 180 degrees C for even cooking. Make sure to insert a probe thermometer into the thickest part. Aim for 63 degrees C internal temperature for a tender, slightly pink center. After roasting, tent the meat with foil and let it rest while you skim pan juices for a quick sauce. You finish by resting and carving with purpose. Tent the roast and let it rest 10 to 15 minutes so carryover heat evens the internal temp and redistributes juices. Once rested, slice against the grain into roughly 1 centimeter pieces for consistent tenderness. Make sure to pour reserved pan juices or sauce over the slices to boost flavor. If the meat feels dry, slice thinner and serve immediately with sauce. If undercooked, return to oven briefly, but avoid reheating past 63 degrees C to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.